Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Thank you guys for tuning in. Before I jump into the video, this one, as you can see from the title, is a get to know me tag. I'm not too good at these, but I'm just going to try my best to, make the best video I can make about this and make it as entertaining as can be. Now, as you can see, if you're new to the channel or if you have subscribed for a couple of years now, you can see that I've touched up the channel a little bit. I have made a new banner, which is on the desktop now. If I can focus in, you'll get to see it. But if not, there you go, there you go. Ooh, there we go. So that's a new logo, that's a new banner. That's there on the channel. Hopefully you guys like it, so you possibly see that when you come onto the channel or when you're on your phone. So you'll basically see that it's basically touching up the channel. It's 2020. It's a new year and new things, new vibes. So I'm going to try and spice up the channel a little bit, bring more content, just freshen it up because it seems like old, and also change the DP to a DP of me and my sugar dumpling, aka my fiance, my girlfriend, the love of my life, etc, etc. But you know what I mean, look on the chocolate, hot chocolate, don't know, ladies getting herself, and some chocolate, don't know, preferably Jamaican, although no fun like the Jamaican man them. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe down below. Click the notification bell to get updates whenever I post videos, and I'll try to post as much as possible in 2020. I'll be traveling too, so hopefully you guys check out those travel vlogs. Please do, because I realize some of the travel vlogs you guys don't check them out. You guys like the mainstream videos that I make about topical issues. So as you can see with the new logo, you'll see travel, you'll see discussion, and you'll see DIY. So I'll basically give advice and my opinions and stuff about many different topics. So just let me jump into the get to know me tag. So first of all, my name is Mark Plunkett. I was born and raised in Kingston, Jamaica, and I'm now residing in the United States. The reason I call it you guys gingerbread and jelly bean is just, it was just like a fun thought. Guys are rougher and more sturdy, so you guys are ginger, ginger ashy, I explained that before. And jelly beans are soft, our gummy bears are soft, so I just call you guys gingerbread and jelly beans. So that's the meaning behind, hey guys, welcome to JVLOGS, or gingerbread and jelly bean. JVLOGS come from Junior. Junior is my nickname, that's what my grandma called me. That's what most of my relatives call me, Junior, because I inherited my father's full name, Mark Plunkett. Leave out the middle name. But yes, JVLOGS, Junior Vlogs, so that's the J. I explained that before. So I have 3 sisters, no brothers. Father died when I was 5. Yeah, so that's a whole different story, but yeah. 3 sisters. So my favorite color is blue and green. Yes, I love the ocean, I love nature, so they both go hand in hand. I love water as well, so you know what I mean, that go hand in hand. Blue and green is my favorite color. My favorite movies, I don't really have a specific favorite. I remember my past times I used to have a favorite, Transformers, but I like sci-fi. I like Lost in Space now, series Lost in Space, even though that's not a movie, but I do watch a lot of series as well. So Lost in Space is one of them. I like sci-fi movies, any kind of sci-fi movie, Star Trek, Star Trek Discovery, anything has to do with space. I'm fascinated by that. I'm fascinated by Mars as well. Watch a lot of documentary on those stuff, so it's very, very interesting. Yeah, so favorite food. My favorite food is rice and peas and baked chicken with vegetable, lots and lots of vegetable, potato salad, all type of stuff. I'm a foodie. I love my food. I love my Jamaican food as well. But I'm open to other cultures and trying other food, which I've done before. I like sushi. I like Mexican food. Very yummy. Yes, I like those stuff. I like food. So favorite sports. My favorite sport is football. My first main sport, favorite sport is football. Then tennis, then track and field. You can mix those two, but those are my 3 main favorite sports. I love football to the max, love tennis, I play tennis, love track and field. As you know, Jamaica is big with track and field. every other sport I love as well. American football, the hand one that they show, nah, not really a fan of that. But every other sports I love, like rugby, other sports I'll be interested to watch when the Olympics come, or if they're going on, even horse racing or bike racing, like car racing, like NASCAR and other stuff like that. I'll definitely watch those. Those are very interesting. Let me move to the next one. What do I like to do? So I like to travel. I love taking planes. I'm fascinated with planes as well. So I watch a video about planes and all those stuff. I love playing tennis. I love sports. If I can get outside and play sports right now, I would. Once I have the energy, I would play basketball, all of them. I love watching series and YouTube videos and documentaries. Those are the type of things I do a lot. So if I'm in the house 2-3 hours, I'm on the computer watching a lot of documentaries. So I watch series, I watch a whole lot of stuff. I go in depth into them. Even if they post a 1 hour video, I'll sit down and watch a 1 hour video. So I consume a lot of documentaries and stuff like that. Where it does give you information, knowledge, so you can use, in everyday life. So those are, I find very, very, very interesting. So I really, really, really like them. Education, finished high school, went to college, did 2 years in college. I was training to be a physical education teacher. Never finished college due to financial difficulties. We're in a normal business now, yeah. So some people would say college dropout. Yeah, so I did 2 years where that is concerned. We'll probably pursue something else in the future. I don't know right now, but main goal is to be an entrepreneur, bringing that multiple income source, real estate, all that stuff. Yeah. Don't want to become a millionaire, just want to be comfortable in life. But yeah, things I love to do. So I love to help people. That's why I created this YouTube channel, to basically give advice and share my thoughts and opinions with other people across the world, because I've done it so much with my friends. I like to share information. Like if I learn something new, I'll share it on my WhatsApp. I'll share that information with people. If I find some cheap plane tickets, I'll share that with people. If I find a way to fly, I'll share that with people. So I don't like to keep information to myself. I like to share it. I like to give advice and have my opinion on it. I'm very opinionated. I love politics as well. Even though on this channel I try not to talk about politics too much or ever, but I'll dabble, and share my opinion with certain things, because I have a lot of opinions and a lot of stuff and a lot of topics, but I don't necessarily talk about them a lot. Yeah, so that's just a quick get to know me tag. Yeah, if you'd like to know anything else, feel free to ask me, and if I feel like answering, then I'll answer. Oh yeah, I don't like nonsense. Also, if you come on the channel and you comment foolishness or try to get me out of my character, sometimes I will go toe to toe with you because I'm like that, and sometimes I'll just let you be. Sometimes I'll give you a soft answer. This is soft answer, turn it away, wrath. For those who are Christians and understand that saying. Sometimes you don't have to feed into that energy, because a lot of time people come in some crappy stuff on the channel and want to attack them and send them elsewhere to where they belong, but I don't, because I have to be respectful. And not to say I sugarcoat it or be politically correct, but sometimes I just don't have to feed into that negative energy, because oftentimes people come on your channel, try to get you out of character. And yeah, and for my channel personally, I don't really focus on not to say I don't focus on the views and stuff like that, but like subscribers and stuff like that. People will subscribe to your channel if they want to. They'll subscribe because they felt like they need to subscribe to your channel. So I don't really chase down that. I beat up myself a lot because I haven't been posting and I haven't been consistent with that. And that is one of my downfalls. So that's one of my issues that I need to work on personally, to be more consistent, because I have other stuff dealing with in real life. So that is something that I'll work on. But for the channel, I'll try my best to upload as much as I can upload. And what I want from you guys is to do is comment, share, like, leave your opinions, leave your feedback as you do, and I appreciate it. As you can see, I comment on everything that I can, or every comment that I see, I comment back on it, or like it, or love it, or whatever it is. But I'll end with saying thanks for watching JVLOGS. Thanks for your continued support. I hope you like the new changes. I hope you like the intros and stuff like that. I hope you like the art, and stuff. If you want artwork done or any graphics design and stuff, you can link me and I'll link up my friend and get you guys in touch. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. Really looking forward to 2020. Appreciate each and every one of you. Remember to subscribe and share for more. I'm old peeps.